Hello, this is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises. Today we are going to show you two types of gear pumps. This one is single gear pump with the bigger hole is the suction and the smaller hole is the delivery. And this one is the single shaft, splined shaft. It's not key shaft, and this is the mounting bracket. This is the top view, and this is the suction view, large hole, and this is the pressure side, small size single gear pump. And this one is the double gear pump. As you can see, two sections, two sections on this side, larger ones, and two delivery on this side. So this is a double gear pump, and this one is a single gear pump, single shaft, splined shaft. And this is the mounting bracket, and you can see that one suction side, two suction side, and similarly one delivery, second delivery, pressure side. In single pump we have a single delivery pressure side, and we have a single suction line, and it's splined. It can come a key shaft also. This is splined shaft, and the top view is like this is mounting bracket. Two bolts will come from here and connect with the electric motor. Various pressures are available from 0 psi to 5000 psi. This is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises, and this was a bird eye view of the single gear pump and double gear pump. Similarly, you can have a triple gear pump and 4 gear pumps. It depends upon your requirement. This one, double gear pumps, are mostly used in the forklifters or in forklifters also. My number is WhatsApp number is 00923124225402, and email is adnan_sunny@yahoo.com or sunnyadnan@gmail.com, SANNIADNAN. Thank you very much. God bless you. This actually videos are for tribute to Mr. Harry Vickers, founder of Vickers hydraulic company in Detroit, Michigan. Thank you, Mr. Harry Vickers. Sales, service, repair of Eaton and Vickers hydraulic in Karachi in Pakistan. Sanni Enterprises, 411 Panorama Center, building number 2. Thank you. Love Hydraulics, 24/7, 365 day free helpline, 00923124225402.